Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make kinoko gohan. Kinoko or mushroom, no matter what kind, is full of umami. And the rice soaks up all the umami or yumminess and it's just so delicious. And also it's very easy to make. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this kinoko gohan, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cups of Japanese rice, some mushroom, it's about 300 grams. And today I'm using maitake, shimeji, enoki, and shiitake mushroom, but you can use whatever mushroom you like. Aburage, deep fried tofu, 2 teaspoons hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sake, and some green onion to garnish. At first, I'm going to rinse the rice. Put some water, stir gently, drain. Just repeat it 3 or 4 times. Let's put it in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice. I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1:1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. This will give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's do all the cutting. Shiitake mushroom. Cut the stem off. The stem of shiitake mushroom is very stringy, so I normally don't use it. Just slice them in. Like this. Maitake mushroom, cut the bottom off and break into pieces. Like this. Shimeji mushroom, cut the bottom off. Just like maitake, break into pieces. Like this. Enoki mushroom, cut the bottom off. And let's cut it into 4. And the bottom part is sticking together, so break into pieces. Okay, back in the tray. And green onions. Cut the bottom off. Cut them in half, put them together, cut them in half, put them together, and slice them in. Let's put it in the small bowl and put it aside. And aburage, deep fried tofu. Prepare kitchen paper. Put it between the kitchen paper and press it down. This is to remove excess oil from the aburage. Cut it in half long way. Then slice in. into the tray. all the ingredients are ready. The rice has been soaked for half an hour, so I'm adding the seasonings. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of liquid seasoning, so I'm removing 4 tablespoons of water from here. Just remove 4 tablespoons of water like this. Two teaspoons instant soup stock, 2 tablespoons sake, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and give it a quick mix. Let's put mushroom and aburage. You don't need to mix this, so mushroom and aburage are just sitting on top of the rice. Put the lid on, turn the heat on, and bring it to boil of medium-high to high heat. Now I can see and hear it boiling, so let's turn the heat to low, as low as I can go, and set the timer for 12 minutes. It's been cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off, keep the lid on, and leave it for 10 minutes to steam. It's done, so let's see how it looks. Smells so good. Put green onion. Mix and plus the rice. Serve it in the rice bowl. And kinoko gohan is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The aroma and the flavor and the texture. I love everything about this. Yum! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Kinoko gohan is obviously rice, so let's put it here, and vegetable miso soup here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. For the other side dish, I think I want to have broccoli gomae. For the main dish, you can have whatever you like, but how about karaage, Japanese fried chicken? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!